Preparations for maintenance.
Expert.
What happened?
The SOC is always low. The battery cannot be fully charged. What is wrong?
You may have left home for 7 days and forgot to charge the battery.
I didn't know that.
If the SOC is lower than 5%, the battery must be charged within 7 days. There are 2 solutions. 1. Automatic charging. After confirming that the cable connection is correct, turn on the battery switch, inverter switch, and mains power switch in sequence. Connect to the PV system and mains power supply. The inverter automatically identifies the battery and charges it. 2. Manual charging. Set the function of forced charge on the management system. After the operations are performed correctly, the battery can be charged properly.